short flour. This is 3 cups of flour. I'll be using half cups of sugar. So these are the powdered ingredients. This is my nutmeg, my salt, my yeast powder, and my powdered milk. This is 2 sachets of powdered milk, 5 ml of my vanilla essence. So it's time to mix. You can decide to mix your vanilla essence later, to add it later. So after a perfect mixture of all the dried ingredients, it's now time to add your lukewarm water. I added my liquid milk in it. So it's time to go in the turning process. This is when you need to work hard, like the consistency that you need now. You need to add more water to it because it's too thick. You see that? Consistent stir, like after turning it for a very long time, this is what I got. I don't know if this mixture is okay now, or I should add a little more water. Actually, this is my first time of trying to make puff-puff. This is my first time, and with the look of things, I'm getting it perfectly. Like I'm becoming a pro, even as it is my first time trying to make puff-puff. It is coming out so well. You can see the texture. It is coming out so well. This texture is very, very okay. A little more water because I want a fluffy something. I don't just want it to be hard. You get? Oh my god. I love what I got. I love what I'm seeing. So, here is my puff-puff. See you guys after 40 minutes.
Do it like how you put it sometimes.
Like, isn't it?